In line with new GDPR rules, Osprey Approach now offers authorized personnel the ability to erase data held on an archived client's file. The following video will guide you through the erasure request process. In order to use this functionality, a system supervisor needs to ensure each user has either request or approval rights. Request rights give the user the ability to request that all data held for a specific client is erased from Osprey Approach in accordance with GDPR. Approval rights gives the user the ability to approve the requests and will authorize the erasure of the client data and remove it from Osprey Approach. To set up request rights, navigate to your supervisor area, select System Setup, and then click on Users and select Request Rights. If any of your users have already been assigned rights, they will appear in this list. You may amend a user's rights by selecting the Edit icon, or remove the user from the list of request rights by selecting the Delete icon. To add a new request right, select Add. You may now select a user from the drop-down list and allocate relevant request permissions to them. Please note that a user cannot be both authorizer and requester for the same function. Click Save when finished. We are now logged in as a requester. To access the GDPR options on a file, navigate to the Clients and Matters tab and then select Clients, followed by GDPR. Select Erasure Requests to display any existing requests. To add a new request, select the New Request button. Select the client for whom you wish to request erasure from the drop-down list. Once selected, the client's matter history data will be displayed. Click Save to confirm the request. The request will be added to the Erasure Requests list, ready for authorization. You may remove it at this stage if you wish by clicking the Select icon. We've now logged in as an authorizer. Navigate to the GDPR area and select Erasure Requests Approval. Pending requests will be displayed here. As an authorizer, you'll be able to undo a request if you wish, or approve a request. Click the Select icon to approve the request. Selecting Yes will mark the request as approved. The data will be erased from Osprey after 24 hours have elapsed. You may undo the erasure if you wish, providing you're still within the 24-hour time limit. Thank you for watching.